according to the problem, after listening some introduction, you have to solve certain problems. According to the problem in the primer, the problem number 1 says that he is having a square prism which is resting on one of its edges on the HP, such that the axis is passing on HP with 45 degrees, on VP with 30 degrees, he has told for us. Okay, so according to this, we need to solve the problem. Okay, if you just imagine the type of the prism, it's a square prism, it is standing in front of you like this. Hope I have this type of a solid material. If I have standing with respect to VP like this, with respect to VP, at the same time, if I view from the top view, it seems to be a rectangle for me, but here according to the problem, he has given a square for us. So it is resting on HP with one of its edges. So I have written a square of, hope it is a 30 mm. It is a 30 mm. Okay, I have written this 30 mm square. Okay, after written this, I have to name this. So if it is because it is a solid, we are having two faces. One is the top face, the below is the bottom face. So we need to name it simultaneously the two faces. So whichever you can able to see the the top face, we need to name it first. A is the point I can able to see from the top view first. The below point is called as A1, so I can't able to see it directly, so I have written in a brackets A of A1. The same phenomena you have to name it for the remaining 3 points: B of B1, C of C1, D of D1. I've got this, how to name it from the top view. At the same time, the axis length for him is 60 mm, is a 60 mm axis length. Okay, so it has given in a problem, you can able to check it out in the problem. So how to draw it? Project it upwards. Okay, from here to here, measure 60 mm with the scale, draw a straight line. From here to here, project it upwards up to here and draw a thick 2 lines. So you get a solid material of the length, solid. Okay, so how to name it? Right, how to name it is very important. If you see from here, which point you see first? D point. So I have written it is called as a D dash. Another point is called a C. It is called as C dash. Again I will repeat it. Please listen it very carefully. If you view from here, you can able to see this point D. Another point is C point. Okay, just now you can able to see these 2 points. Okay, you please observe these 2 points, DC, right? So D correspond to D dash, C corresponding to C dash. Anyhow, C you can't able to see it clearly, so I have written it as C dash. Another point here, if you come here, you can able to see the point A, you can able to see the another point called as B. So A dash of B dash. The below points, if it is D dash, the below point will be of D1 dash. If it is C dash, the below point will be of C1 dash. The same thing here, A1 dash of B1 dash. A1 dash of B1 dash, right? So hope you will get this problem, how to identify, how to name this. Okay, so the second position, when you come across, he has given in the problem the axis is inclined to 45 degrees. So how to solve this? Okay, there is a simple formula for you. Whenever he has given the axis length, axis should be a 45 degrees, you have to imagine this entire thing from here to here. From here to here, this one is a right angle triangle where this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Okay, so total is 180 degrees. In this, if you cancel 90 degrees, the remaining thing is 90 degrees. But axis is inclined to 45 degrees. So if you do minus 45 degrees, the remaining thing is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. That indicates that if the axis is inclined is 45 degrees, the another angle, this angle is of 45 degrees. This angle is called as 45 degrees. So you can't able to write it directly the axis length. Because of this I need to calculate this one. How to do it? This is called as total angle of the triangle is 180. Hope you get this. The total angle of the triangle is 180. This is anyhow the 90 is the right angle to each other. The lines is right angle to each other. This line and this line, this line and this line, axis line is right angle to each other. Minus 90 degrees, you will get 90. 180 minus 90, 90. After this, the axis is inclining at 45 degrees, so minus 45 degrees you need to subtract it. So the remainder is 45 degrees. The resultant is 45 degrees. This 45 degrees is this one. This line is 45 degrees. Okay, hope. Okay, the next video we will see how to draw the second position.